Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Maybell. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how I make a spa scrub, facial scrub. This scrub is made with papaya and yogurt spa and few drop of sugar and other ingredients. So I'll be using this salt, spa salt. I'm going to be using the papaya. Papaya, as we know, helps to secrete collagen. It is a great skin elasticity. It helps to promote skin or elasticity. It has an healing property on the skin. It helps to heal the skin, makes the skin look healthier. For those I'm don't want to go skin into details of what I'm going to be using. I'm using sodium latte. You can get it from this store, the soap spray. I'm going to be using the jojoba oil, and if you don't have jojoba oil, you can use grapeseed oil that will not clog your pores. And also I'm going to be using this is my oil. It's a peeling oil, and you get it from organic store. I'm using mulberry. Don't look at my fingers, please. I've been so busy. It's been long I've uploaded on this channel. I'm going to be using giga white powder. I'll use strawberry, and I'm using the SLSA soap powder. This is very mild on the face, very good. And to top it up, I'm going to be using this as well. If you got this or any of your organic soap free soap, you can use that. I'm going to be having a bit of sugar, vitamin C and vitamin A oil, which is, we know, is very good for acne. And that is it. So let's get started. I'm doing a bit, just a little quantity for my own self. I'm gonna cut this and put it in it. So I'm using collagen powder. If you want to do the one that you have to use your oil and water with wax and to bind it, and then you pour the ingredient in it, is okay. But if you're using that, if you're going to do emulsify formulation, I would advise you use the stearic acid. If you want me to do that kind of formulation, I'm going to show you. But in this case, you're doing that because salt, this is salt, we're using salt and oil. You have to be very careful the quantity of water and oil you're using to it. You don't want to add water, because water will dissolve the sugar and the oil. Sugar and the salt. So you have to balance the quantity. So in order for us to feel the impact or the effect and the effect of this product on our skin, instead of just using something that is already dissolved, melted, and you can feel when you're scrubbing your face, you can feel anything. Although you don't want to irritate the face further by using something that have all these coals in it, that have sharp edge particles, or ingredient in it. How will I put it? Anyway, yeah, so you don't want to use something that will irritate the skin further or try to trigger any more acne. We don't want that. So I'm gonna be using this formulation, which is very amazing. It's very good. You see the end result as it's going to turn out. If you want to add xanthan gum, you add it to kind of make it look a bit fluffy, not too fluffy, but a bit the texture to look good. And if you want to do the other formulation, the emulsifying formulation, use wax and stearic acid. Stearic acid is a great, it acts as a cleansing agent. It also helps to as an emollient as well. It helps a lot to clean the face. It penetrates into the deeper layer to clean. Is a good, you can go do benefit. I'm going to leave some of the benefit on the screen. So I'm using vitamin A oil, and I'm going to be adding a bit of sugar. Before that, I've added my yogurt spa. I've also adding my strawberry powder. Gigabyte powder. And sugar, and come back. And you don't want to add too much of the sugar, okay? Just a little bit of it. I'm going to leave the measurement of this of 200 or 100 gram at the end of the video, so you need to watch it to the end. So yeah, so we start by adding the vitamin A oil. I've been doing this so I know. So we add the vitamin C oil. Sorry, this is vitamin E. So the sodium latte is a great emollient and also acts as a great moisturizer. We want our face, we don't want at the end of the day to be dry, because you know salt on its own is acidic. So you don't actually, when you have acne, you want to balance your, at the end of the day I'm going to balance the whole thing. So because it's something, it's not a leave-on product, it's a wash-up product, so we don't really need to balance it that much, but you have to make it fall into the range that you want it to be, the pH range that you want that to be suitable for the skin, that it won't trigger or irritate the skin further, okay? Don't look at my finger, I've already said it all. So then I'm going to be adding my moonberry. We know the benefit of moonberry extract. Then I love this peeling oil. When it's peeling oil, it doesn't mean it peels your oil face, but it helps a lot to get rid of those dark scar left behind by acne. It's an amazing oil that is amazing. It's very good. It helps to brighten up the skin complexion. When you're using this, you need to put on a mask or take your face further away from it, far away from it. I'm going to open it, then come back. So measurement goes a long way if you want a good consistency. I'm going to mix so I added a bit of the xanthan gum. So as you can see, this is the end result. So if you want it more lighter than this, you can add more of your soap in it. For those people that will add citric acid, malic acid, you don't need all those stuff for that. Fine, they are great exfoliant, but this is for acne. Those of you that know you got this problematic skin that every week or month you always break out, so you want to use something that will help clean, target, and also help clear the scar left by the acne. You don't want to further irritate it, so that's why I'm using this scrub. Is amazing. That's helped my face a lot, and like I said, I'm a classic oily combination skin. My face produces so much of oil, so I know my skin and I tend to work with it, and I don't want anything that will trigger further. So I tried using this formulation. I made it and I tried it, and it really helped. But when you're using it, it's not something you have to use every day. You can use it once every 3 days. That is, if you use it in the morning, or probably you use it at night, it's good. Normally I use it at night to scrub, and once you use it, for instance, on Monday, you don't need to use it on Tuesday. You can use it on Wednesday. You don't need to use it on Thursday. Use it on Friday, just 3 times a week, and you're good to go. It's very good. And when you use, after scrubbing, use a clean towel. And your towel, you need, if you know you have problematic skin that you break out a lot, try to change your face towel every month. If you can't, I know it's not easy, try to dip it in hot water with Dettol, but advisable, just change it every month. It's very good. And use a great moisturizer after that. Moisturizer, if you're using a moisturizer, use the one that got much of water in it, like not oil. If it has oil, it has to be oil that doesn't clog the pores. I've tried to work with my skin. For my face, I tend to use higher percentage of water to oil. Sometimes my formulation for my face cream, maybe I use 10% or 12% of, yeah, just 10% of oil, and the water is like 70%. The rest are the ingredient I'm going to add into it just to make it okay. So this is just an advice for you. And if you got acne problem, like you break out a lot, try not to put your face in too much hot water. I know it's good to just kind of steam your face once in a while, but stop using too much hot water on your face. If you're going to clean your face, make a lukewarm water to use to wash your face, and get this foaming sponge scrub to clean. You need to clean your face and wash what you are eating inside. Don't eat anyhow food. And if you also try to cut down on, they say food doesn't really matter, but if you're eating something that is dirtying you into your system, definitely it will come out. Sometimes it won't come out on our skin, but our face is sensitive, so it trigger all this stuff. Watch what you're eating. Like me, I like to eat sweet things, so I tend to like cut down on my sweet. I don't eat butter. Once I eat butter, I break out. So you watch what you're eating, what works for you, what you know when you eat them, it triggers. And don't use only bare hand to clean your face. Get a they have this, don't use harsh stuff to clean your face. Get this foaming scrub. I might leave a picture of it on the screen so that you can go get it. It's good to wash your face. Make sure you wash your face properly. Don't over scrub it. Don't wash too hard. Just softly, just wash it, and make sure you clean with a good toner afterwards, or before you take your shower, or after you've taken your shower. So, and thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna leave the measurement on the screen. This, I love it a lot. As you can see, it's amazing, very good. You see how I don't know why I'm using this, but sorry. nice. I'm so happy coming back on on YouTube. So try this out, and you can leave your comment and send me your WhatsApp on what you feel about this. This is a very simple thing. If you can't get most of the ingredients I use, just try and get the little your hands can get, your hands you have at home. If you can't get this peeling oil, which is very good, I would advise you get it from the organic store. But if you can't get it, you can use oil like I'm gonna list some oil you can use, but advisably try and get the peeling oil. If you can get not the peeling oil that peels your face. This oil doesn't peel. It helps a lot to get rid of dark spots, blemishes, and also brighten up the complexion. It glows the skin. It's a good oil. And moonberry extract. Get vitamin A oil, is good for acne. Vitamin E is good. Okay, thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel. I'm so happy to be back. Have a nice day. Bye.